All right, Manuel, here we have your 24 scale Ford Interceptor Sedan, decaled, as you can see, as a Jacksonville Sheriff's Office vehicle. Decaled properly, your name on the fender, and thanks for pointing that out to me that it only goes on the driver's fender. Every one of these I've done over the years, I've always put it on both fenders, and no one's ever said anything, so thanks for pointing that out for me. So I wonder why no one else has ever noticed or said anything, but they haven't. Anyway, so the proper decaling, again, laptop in there with your, I got to cut my custom decals and stuff on those, are on there. The dash updated a little bit, or highlighted a little bit. Interior work light installed. As you can see, the driver's door does open. Hood opens, as well as the passenger's door, the front doors. And of course decaling the same on both sides. Unit 1426, roof numbers and everything on there, along with the rear, along with the website. And I just now realized I forgot to do the license plate. I will change that license plate over. Totally forgot about it. But I'm halfway through the video, so we're just going to finish the video up. But I will change that license plate for you. Also, the stub antenna, like it shows on there. And I did remember to do the blue over the driver's side, which is another thing for Jacksonville that's odd. That and Dover Police Department up in Delaware also runs the blues over the left side, so makes it a little difficult to remember sometimes. As for your switches, let's do the battery on this one. One of these cars, they're making them the same whether they come with factory lights in them or not. And if anyone's seen the factory lighting, it's kind of, weak. But anyway, when I get one of them that is set up for that, even though the factory lights aren't in there, I just go ahead and revise the battery door here so the battery can be changed through the battery door. I think normally they use 3 AA batteries in these. Of course, I do some cutting and stuff in there, and then just remove the screw here, and you'll be able to replace it, the 9-volt battery inside there. So it's easy enough to do it where you don't have to take all the 6 screws out from the bottom of the car. Main power switch is right here on the front. Siren selector switch is right here to the driver's side underneath. So go ahead and turn that on. You asked for flashing headlights. I went ahead and put one of my wig-wag circuit boards in there. So you'll see it has a true wig-wag headlight pattern to the headlights themselves. Now, look, you're seeing the strobes. You wanted strobes as well. You're seeing the strobes kind of flash through the headlight area. So it kind of looks weird. Looks like the wig-wags are kind of stuttering a little bit, but they're not. It's just picking up the strobes. And, of course, you can see your strobes in there as well on each side. So true wig-wags and then strobe headlights. Red and blue strobe light bar. Again, use one of my circuit boards in it to give you some triple strobe patterns on there. You can see your interior work light. You can see your interior a little bit better there. The goodies that lie within. And on the rear, you ask for flashing taillights. Again, wig-wag taillights on this. And strobe in there as well. Again, I've explained this a lot. People notice this a lot too on most cameras. But cameras have a tendency to pick up just the brightest part of an LED. So it looks like just 2 white dots on there. In person, it does fill up the headlight lens or the taillight lens just a little bit better. Again, you can kind of see the strobes flashing through the LEDs. When they're off, it looks like they're actually strobing. But anyway, the camera just... LEDs play tricks on cameras. Let's leave it at that. The siren, just a basic siren. You're familiar with the siren. We're going to hit it anyway. Go through your different tones. Each press will change it to the next. And then the wail. And then after that, turns it completely back off. So that's how you operate the siren. So anyway, there you have it. I appreciate the order, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think you paid everything up already, looks like. So I'll go ahead and get this shipped out to you tomorrow. Tomorrow's mail to come, priority mail, and you should have it in Florida. Ship it Friday, Saturday, Monday. Should have it Tuesday, I would think, by Tuesday. So thanks again, and like I said, appreciate the order, sir.